Hey guys, thank you so much for coming back to my video. So I'm finally happy to sit down and actually film this hairstyle. This is one of my favorite hairstyles just because it gets all my hair off my shoulders, and more so because I've had my locks for over 10 years in case you were wondering, and I've done every style imaginable, every style possible, and sometimes I get a little tired of it, and I'm thinking about cutting my hair, but I'm not sure. But this style helps me keep my hair as short as it can possibly go while still having the option to have my long hair. So I'm gonna show you guys how I get it. So this is what my hair looks like after it's washed, and you can see the length is pretty much down my back, way down my back now, which makes this hairstyle take forever to do. It can take me up to 3 hours to do it, but if you have shorter hair, then you're gonna be okay. So some of the things that I like to use on my hair, and I do switch it up, I like to use this Shea Moisture's Mongongo and hemp seed oil. I'm pretty much out of it. That's how much I've used it, and I like the fact that it has apple cider vinegar in it. It's supposed to deep condition and revive damaged and color treated hair. So I gotta re-up on that one. Another one of the things I like to use is 100% raw shea butter. I've just started using this recently, so I'm still giving it a go, but I like to just add a little bit of moisture to my hair because it can be so brittle sometimes. And then another thing I like to use, this is old school, this is Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil, and I know every black girl, every natural has this in their closet. What I like to do with this one is mix it with some water, and I put it in my old e.l.f. mist and set bottle. I mix that in some water just because I feel like the oil, I actually like just putting it in a spray bottle overall helps it get down to my roots, because I don't want to just gunk up the actual lock itself, if that makes any sense. I want most of the moisture to be hitting the roots. Another one of the things I love is Carol Daughter's Black Vanilla Moisture and Shine Hair Stream. Again, I spray this mostly directly on the root, and too, I do like to use it once I finish styling my hair, just to give it a little bit of shine. Again, I don't put too much because I don't like that buildup in my hair. Now, as for the front of my hair, because my hair is so freaking thick, I do like to go in with Amper Pro Style Gel. I know people don't like that one because it does create a little bit of buildup, and it does have a lot of flaking. But as you can see, my hair is super thick in the front, so I like to go on with a little bit of it. So another one of my secrets that I love for my edges, besides the black gel, which is the Amper Pro Style Gel, is this Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste by Curls. This thing smells freaking amazing. I don't like to use it. I don't like to use the gel and this in combination. So what I'm going to use for today is just the Blueberry Bliss. I love the way it holds down, specifically because I do wear makeup, and when I wash off my makeup, I usually wash off my edges involuntarily. So I want a product that I can reapply every day without it actually damaging my hair. So to start, you guys see how long my hair is now. I don't know, let me know in the comment section if you think I should cut it. I'm trying to do different styles so I can get out of my hair funk. But to start, I'm going to use a little bit of that spritz mixture with the oil and the herbal oil mixed, and I'm going to give my roots a nice coating. I want my hair to be super moisturized because I'm going to tuck and roll and pin, well, not pin, but I'm just going to tuck and roll, and I want everything underneath to be super moisturized. I also went in with a little bit of the Black Vanilla Hair Sheen from Carol's Daughter, just for a little extra. You don't have to if you don't want to. So this hairstyle is really simple. How I usually start is I part my hair. So I parted the top part and rolled that up, and got ready to do the back. No reason in particular, this is just how I do my hairstyle. I like to see that I'm halfway done because I start getting really lazy. Like I said, because my hair is so long, this can take up to 3 hours. So once I got that up, I usually start at the back though, because I'm filming and it's hard to get it all on camera. I started from the side. So this hairstyle is really, really simple. Here's what you do. Make sure that your hair is twisted at the root. I haven't done my hair in a while, so I had to do a little bit of like tearing, not exactly tearing, but just like moving, because my new growth was coming in. So I had to do a little bit of separation to twist the root. Don't twist too tight. It's really hard to explain, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch this. But when I say don't twist, don't twist at the root, start at the middle, is because the first time I did this hairstyle, I did it extremely tight because I just kept twisting from the root all the way up, and it wasn't until I had like half my hair done that I realized this is too freaking tight. So start at the middle and just twirl the hair. Don't twist, because if you feel that each time you're twisting up, your root is getting tighter and tighter, I promise you're doing it wrong, and that's gonna cause extreme damage to your hair. Also, I forgot this as well. I waited until my hair was dried because I recently was told, a person who's had their locks for 10 years, that when you do your hair wet, it damages your roots. I had no freaking idea. I had no idea. No one taught me how to do my hair. I just sat down and did it because I had to. My parents didn't have, the money to get my hair done every 2 weeks and all that, so I had to learn what to do. And I always did my hair wet. Somebody just told me that recently. That's not good for your hair. So that option is up to you. Keep that in mind. But I'm just starting from the middle of the lock, and I'm just rolling it up. Just rolling it all the way up to the top. And it might look messy at first, and it's going to be really easy for it to unravel sometimes. Just play with it and take your time. If your hair is short, it's okay if you start at the root. Just be careful not to pull too much on the root. Like that's the worst thing that you could do for locks, because you don't want to damage your roots. So that's what I'm doing. It's a little difficult to explain, but I'm gonna let you guys just watch what I'm doing, and hopefully you can catch on. So this is what it looks like now that it's about half done. Doesn't look really pretty, doesn't look super neat, even though I pretty much just did it really lazily. So that's what half of it is looking like. And then I'm gonna bring that all the way to the top, and I'll be right back. So now I'm at the top. I have about 2 rows left in the front, and it's looking pretty neat. And sometimes when you're starting from the back to the front, like it feels like you're running out of space, don't worry about it. You can always just unroll it, tuck it, and figure it out. This is one of the easiest hairstyles. It just can take a while if you have really long hair like mine. So what I'm doing now is I have 2 rows left at the front. What I like to do is twist the left side to the left and twist the right side to the right and keep it in formation. And then what I do is I went in with the curl paste and I added that to each side of my hair, and I just twisted it in and did the same style. So that's what everything looks like completely finished, and then I just go in with my toothbrush and continue to lay my edges as I feel. So that's how I got this hairstyle. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what else you guys want to see. I'm glad that I finally got to show you guys how some of the products that I like. So let me know what you use in the comment section. Thumbs up if you did enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.